Hey crafty peeps, glad you stopped in to see what craftiness or crafty shenanigans I got going on. This is totally inspired by Sandy's Planners and Crafts, and I just used some beads I have in my stash along with this gauge wire. And this wire is 18 inches, but there are also a different width you can use. So you cut a piece that's roughly about 10 inches, and this is the brand I use. This came from Michael's. And there are also purchased this larger one. This is a 16 gauge wire, and it's a little thicker, but you can use whichever one you may have on hand. And you just take this piece and it automatically will start to form that heart. But first you make a pinch here. You make like a V. You just take it between your fingers and make a V shape at the middle. And that'll form the base of our heart, and then the two ends will just form the heart. And you can mold, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, totally up to you. And you can see my heart starting to come together. And then what you do is you just take, and here you can add a jump ring, and I will, because I wanted to add a charm at the base. But you can just start threading your beads onto the wire. And I tried to be symmetrical, meaning I put what was on one side, the same bead on the other side, just to give it that look. But you can mix it up, do whatever you want. And I'm just using some beads, some larger beads, bubblegum size beads. But you can use whatever you have on hand. And you just continue to thread back and forth until you get it filled. And you already see, and these came from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any you have. And you can see how it's starting to make that heart shape. So you have your two ends. So what you'll do, you take your pliers and you'll just make a loop. And I have my bead looper right there, but I don't know why I just grabbed the pliers. So we're going to make a loop there with one side, and then you're going to take the other end and you're going to slide it into that loop, and this will help it stay together. And then you just loop that in. Now you can use this for an ornament. You can use it gifted. You want to gift your crafty friends some beads where they can take apart and do whatever, or they can just have it as decor, just something cute to look at. And I'll add a dangle at that end too, as well as where the V is. And that's an easy peasy. That's how it came together. And here's one that I created. These are going in a swap. And see, I added a dangle here, a charm there, and we'll add a charm at the base as well. And I just used different colors. Love how they came out. I think they are so cute. And here I just added some larger beads and smaller ones. And then because they're going in a swap, I just decided I'm going to put them in that organza bag just to protect them. But I love them. I think they're so cute. Let me know what you think. And have a good day.